Hey y'all, welcome back to Technique. I'm Lane Flynn, your packaging expert. We've been talking about ways to help you save money on your packaging, and in particular how to help you save money on packaging equipment and automation applications. There's a big topic here that we kind of need to touch on, and I'm just going to hit the nail on the head, and that's Chinese-made equipment. It's something that we come across a lot in the industry. Our company gets asked probably on a weekly basis to import and represent Chinese-made equipment. We've always said no. That's kind of been a long-standing policy of ours. And the reason for that is the quality. It's obviously not to say that China can't build high-quality equipment. There's certainly industries where they do, but I've got a great deal of personal experience working hands-on with Chinese-built equipment in the packaging field, and unfortunately with that, it is not at a professional level, is the honest answer. So we talk to people all the time who say, well, I got a quote for, a machine that does the same thing off of Alibaba, and it's so much less than yours, blah, blah, blah. Okay, until you get it here, and you find out that it's the quote-unquote stainless steel machine you bought is already pre-rusted from the shipping, or the wiring is grotesquely incompliant with any kind of standards, and if you ever had an electrician in your plant, you would get shut down. Or the safety features or labeling are non-existent, and you'd be facing thousands of dollars of fines from OSHA the second that you walk in the door. Again, that's not because of any innate inability for a Chinese factory to make equipment that doesn't do that. It's just that they tend to not, unless you have the resources to actually have your own personnel at the factory in China to supervise the design and construction process and end up with a piece of equipment that meets U.S. safety and quality standards. And frankly, if you did that, the equipment would cost at least as much, if not more, than our equipment that's made by our trusted American and European partners. Are there applications where Chinese-built equipment makes sense? Maybe. If you have really great maintenance and engineering people who can resolve basically any problem on their own internally to keep it running, and it's maybe a shorter-term application where you don't need longer-lasting equipment. To be very honest, typical service life for the average Chinese-built piece of packaging equipment we see in the field is about 6 months. Compared to ours, which is 20 plus years. So if you've got a very temporary need, you're willing to proceed with the lack of factory support, you've got engineers and maintenance people who can address problems with the equipment from the day that it gets there, keep it running for the duration of your need, and then are okay with disposing of it at the end, then a Chinese machine may make a lot of sense for you. If you're not a big organization, you don't have a bunch of engineers and maintenance people who are ready to address any problems, and you really need something more that works out of the box and won't be, total scrap after the first season of use, the Chinese-built machines may be a lower initial dollar value, but a big negative in ROI. We're happy to help our customers avoid those kinds of potential issues, finding ways to help them fit quality, well-made equipment that will last within their budget. Feel free to reach out to us, and we can take a look at your specific applications, show you how we can help you with those, and find a way to solve your problems that, again, goes back to generating not just the lowest cost, the greatest return on investment, the biggest difference between what you spend and what you get back from it. Appreciate you joining us today. Please like and subscribe on YouTube and follow us on your favorite social media site to get our videos as soon as they're released. And I'm Lane Flynn for Technique, and we'll see you next time.